Hello, my name is Kitmina. I'm from Athena batch. In this video, I will describe about my sign up process in the auth page, how the validation and sign up process will be happening. First of all, here I have the function sign up, which I described earlier in the earlier video in the how it's located in the design. After we click the sign up button, all the data we will capture all the data from the design through document get element by id. All the HTML elements will be captured by it. First of all, we have first name, last name, email, password, mobile, and the gender from the select input. After that, we will create a variable called f from data, and we will append all the data we get from design into the f, and we give it a name like this. Here is name and here's the value. After appending all the values, we will create a XML HTTP request and assign it to the variable request, and we create an anonymous function on the onReady state change, and here we have if statement. We will check the ready state of the request and status of the request. According to it, we will handle the response. So I have here another if statement. If the response text we getting from the request is success, we will display the alert and the other stuff according to this. I showed it in the last video, and if the response is not success, we will use it to show a warning alert. After that, we will send the request using method post into the sign up process PHP file, and we will through the asynchronous function. The method is send as async. So after that, we will send the form with the request. I will show you the sign up process now. In the first of all, I will talk about the connection PHP. So I have connection PHP here, which have a database class. It's a static. We have created, first of all, we create public static variable called connection, which will be using across all the applications. So we have this public and static. We can easily access through the database class, so like that. So after that, we have function to set up a connection. It will be setting up connection if the database connection not already exists, and here's the query for here's the method MySQL connection. I will not explain much deeper. I have my database EShop, and I have localhost. I'm hosting in localhost, and my username is root, and I have password in the port to the here. And in these are the functions we are using to update and get data from the database. Is IOD and Q represent the query. We will be checking the database connection and send the query to database. Here we do the same, but we return result. So in the sign up process, first of all, we include the sign up process connection. We include the connection PHP, so the page can access to the database. After that, we store the values we got from the post request into the variable. So this is the name. We store the message in the form, and we capture it through it and store it the variable like this. So we write variables in the PHP like dollar and the variable name. After that, after we storing all the data, we are validating the each data according to requirements. First of all, we checking the if the data is empty. So we have checked the f name empty here and the l name empty here, and the email, if the email is empty here, and the password here, and the mobile here, and the gender here. So after that, we are using if else statement. So if it is true, then we are going to the it goes like ladder like. So if the if name is not empty, we are checking the length of the if name. If it is not higher than it does not have characters 50 characters, does not go higher than 50, it is true, then we will go to the check the L name. And if it is not empty, it is not longer than 50 characters, we'll go to the email part. Likewise, we go each part. If it is true, we will go to next part. If it is false, we will echo this message. Likewise, we go all the way. Here we are using a special method to check pattern in the our mobile number. So if it is according to this pattern, we will we will echo this message. If it is not, we will go to this part, and where we check the gender. If it is not empty, we will go to the database process. So here we will search in the user if it is already exist using email and mobile, because in the database email and mobile are unique, so we can't have two email and two mobile number for the same user, for the two separate users. So we will checking it using this, and after that we check the rows we get from the result. If it is less than 0, we will go to our database process. If it is higher than 0, we will exit with the message email mobile number or exist. So after that, we are getting date time. We are need to add the current registered date, so we get the date time and store it like this, and time zone we are currently in, and we set up the date here according to this format. And after that, we have database query here. We are inserting user according to this table columns and according to these values. So we have email, f name, l name, and password, mobile, and join date we created here, and status id, which is 1 by default. We have two status, one is active, one is inactive. So active is one, we are stating is default. So every user is active user when they registered. Admin can make them inactive, deactivate likewise. After that, we have gender id, which is the foreign key coming from the gender table. If it is success, we get in the success message, and it will be displaying the alert through this. So this is the sign up process of the our EShop sign up method. I will demonstrate it here. I will use simple part name and a new email, password with 8 characters minimum, and a new mobile number and gender. So I do not have password sign, so I get the error like this. So I hope you understand how the validation process works and how the database process works. Hope you enjoy the video. Goodbye.